So I got some new pedals, and they are the Oneup Aloy flat pedals. So yeah, I got new flat pedals. So I'm gonna try and unbox this. Don't let you. Ooh, fucking mint. There's a nice big pedal to get maximum grip, and some nice long pins. There's the other pedal. It looks to come with a few pins, so that's good. If you break or lose one of the pins, you can just replace them. And also, with that, I also got some new shoes, so I guess good to have fresh rubber with some fresh pedals, so for maximum grip. Mint. It's pretty late in the day, but still want to go for like a test ride on these Oneup pedals, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's go. Woo. Alright, I'm at like where I would usually ride, and just going from my house to here, these new shoes and pedals like feel fucking mint. Doing some like little hops and stuff. Mint. So gonna ride this trail now, and let's go. What the fuck? Oh no. Whew. Fucking mint. Whew. So the slug, I thought I'd make some sort of like little jump into the car park. Definitely not going to be like the best jump I've made, but we'll see how it goes. That definitely isn't smooth, but yeah, I guess it'll do. Now time for takeoff. Alright, that's the lip done. It's definitely soft because it's only just like bark. Can't really compact like dirt does, but let's give it a try. Oh my god, not in right gear for this. Ah, shit. Huh. That actually wasn't too bad. Kind of smooth, honestly. Not bad. Alright, second attempt. Going for a little bit low gear. Alright, not bad. Went a little further, but like doesn't really help on the lip, but like this has a bit of cushion, so it makes it kind of feels like it makes it smoother, the landing, so that's good. Let's do it again. Oh god. Alright. too bad of a jump that I just built within like 5 minutes. So I think I'm gonna head off from here. Whew. So that's the unboxing and first ride of these new Oneup pedals. First impressions is that they're super grippy, and as I keep saying, just fucking mint. And it is the next day because like yesterday it got a bit dark. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Boy.